Roja Zul Dum Dum and Sis Ling. So, pagkakita sila ang contribute sa ECBP. Hindi na ako kailang muna akong leaders before. Especially sa ito outreach, Agaw outreach. And then most of the servants here are Agaw outreach po. No? So, similar to Stephanie Marie Romero, Roberto Sevillano, Maristela Sevillano, Jake Olken Teves, Kobilin, or Dumo, and specific because we did not know or the robot. And liturgical mass, ini concern sa mass, siskin and bukods. Okay? Ang main servant, ano siya si Ronnie, and si Scotty, and sila ng baso. Kung namin concern sa food doon, na may participant, na may pagkabiyahin, ikaw magpapawag ka nun.
You have told us to serve the Christian life program in various capacities. This is a grace which we do not deserve, for which we thank you, even as we likewise dedicate our lives, our families, our children, our jobs, for all the blessings that you have given us. And
para attendance, maka-monitor ka na. Minsan participants ang wala maka-appeal para maka-make up. So, nasa inyong corridor.
One thing very important here sa DG ng participants ay nakapos na i-inform ng PLSS no? So wala ka ang first day. Including kami po, including servants wala in the first day. Roger, ang first day ba?
To know each other's roles, especially most of us here are serving for the first time. The last time, naalala ko na kami sa Bisyuhan, mga CFP 17 graduates. Now it's your time to serve. So before, kasi lagi magkaitong pamilya lahat ng snacks, tama na mga masyado, tama na kayo lahat ng snacks. Anak na SBB. So, what is important is we know each other's roles. Kaya harap ko kayo magtutod, kayo magpilog sa ang tinanggan. So, pero as early as now, yung tutuyo ang parang hindi karoon para ma-define yun at each other's service. So, pamutana, as our course leader or our assistant course leader, chief servant, para maklaro yun.
Okay, so Alpha and Omega, ang inyong trabaho po is sa start and the end. But kung niyo po sa readers and other members, especially kami pagpapagsugon, i-assist na po ang Alpha and Omega sa pag-set up. Ang Alpha and Omega rin po, hindi yung tables, is may boundaries, which is time consuming. Right? So we have honors sa entrance, we have honors sa entrance, kanang sa gate, pwede na mag-honors sa welcome participants. So, pagbubukan na ninyo ang pamamiga bro, direct. And then sa background na to, and then sa entrance na ito ang venue sa tulong of honors, which is